Mr. Bowles, what are you saying to your party about the need for entitlement reform? Because that's where the resistance is coming from. It's coming from the Democrats, not from the Republicans on that end of it.
Absolutely, Bob. And first of all, I love Alan. God, he's an American treasure. But look, you know, even if you raise the top rates back to the Clinton rates, you know, that only creates about $400 billion over 10 years. That's $40 billion a year. We got a $1 trillion a year deficit. That alone won't solve a problem. We have to cut spending. Healthcare is, in this country, we spend twice as much on healthcare as any other developed nation, and that's true whether it's a percent of GDP or it's on a per capita basis. We have to slow the rate of growth of healthcare to the rate of growth of the economy. The president's put $350 billion worth of cuts on the table. That's not enough. We're going to have to do more. You know, we may not like it. You know, we may wish we didn't. We've simply made promises we can't keep. We've got to face up to it, and we've got to have a bold decision in order to make sure we put our fiscal house in order.